We're live.
On larger pipe, it's more important to apply equal heat around the hub of the fitting.
Okay.
But on 3/4 or half, it's not as important. I like to apply it near the bottom.
Okay.
And then you just kind of...
You don't have to apply that much heat. It gets hot pretty quick.
Yeah.
Put a little more flux on there, okay. So you can put flux on it while it's hot, huh?
Oh,
Yeah.
just to like clean it up?
Just to clean it a little bit. And you can... That little flick I did on the bottom just makes it look a little bit better. So there's not like a booger.
So when I first did it, I wanted to put a lot of solder on there, but you don't need much. It just sucks right into that pipe and...
As long
Right,
as it
as
just
long as
gets
you
hot
have-
enough, then you stop applying the heat.
And the flux will draw the solder to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Alright. Here we are at Interlake Avenue in Seattle, Washington. Reuben White, ladies and gentlemen. Soldering, plumbing master.